Here's a quick way to do it. You just go here. See, it says click the website link beneath the video for the notes. And so, as I always say, I usually always put notes underneath the video. And when I say underneath the video, I mean right here. Not the comments, not the comment section. This is the comment section. But the link you see where it says show more, just like it says read more here in the comments, but here, this is underneath the video, right underneath the title, then my name, right here. This is my channel name, Streams of Light Charles Placide, and the time the video was created, and right here, this is the description box underneath the video, what I meant, and it says show more here. You see the mouse changes and you click on it, and this is it, and it gives you the full description of this video. And I'm gonna show you the link that was not working. This is the link that wasn't working, the notebook. All of those are the notes. Here's the notebook. I'm gonna show you something. Let's see. And here it takes me here. Now, something I should tell you, if you click join notebook, if you do this on Google Chrome or on other internet browsers, if you click view notebook, don't click view notebook, but if you click view notebook, this is what's going to happen. So here's the note number 1. See this note first. Of course, good. That's the first note. But look at this. Here's all the other notes: number 2, note number 3, note number 4, note number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 1 out through 10 of 61 notes. Pardon me, 1 through 10 of 61 notes. But let's scroll down. Let's see what happens. Oh, hold on. Where did the notes go? And why does this say 21 through 30 out of 61 notes? We didn't even get to 15. Oh, what the? I scrolled back up, and where did note number 1 go? Where it said see this note first. Where did it go? And the other notes beneath it. Now you see only this note, this note, this note. Those aren't all the notes. I wonder if the others will disappear also. Sometimes it does. Okay, so you're only seeing 4 out of 61 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a problem. Now let's try another internet browser. Not only to mention that, but these notes are totally out of order. You saw the first note that said see this note first here, but the notes after that, they're totally out of order. Let's try another internet browser. This is Microsoft Edge. Let's see if it does the same thing. Now remember what I told you, don't click view notebook. Don't click it. But if you click view notebook, this is Microsoft Edge. This internet browser is called Microsoft Edge. There's other internet browsers. It might do the same thing like this, but let's see it. Okay, there's that first note. See this note first here. Yes, this is the first note. But, okay, note number 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if it does the same thing. It does not do the same thing. You can actually see all the notes, but guess what? These notes are not in order. 2. Why is part 2 over here? Where's part 1? Part 1 should be above it, or if not immediately above it, just a little bit above it the more. It should be somewhere up here. But, I mean, part 1 should be somewhere up here. Why is part 2 here and there's no... Obviously because it's out of order. Then you see basic 4, but why is basic 1 right after that? Obviously it's really, really out of order. Here's my part 3. Okay, so this is why we do not want to click view notebook. Rather, we want to click join notebook. Join notebook. And when we click join notebook, we want to sign in. or create an account. Okay, so join notebook, you want to click on it. Alright, we click. And if you've never yet created account, if you have not yet created account, it's asking you a question, you don't have an account? So you want to create an account. Click on create account and you'll be able to create an account. So it'll ask you for your email, your password. But if you already have an account, if you've created accounts already for Evernote, then you just want to sign in, log in, right here, put in your email address or username, and then click continue. It's gonna then you put your password, and then you'll be there. So either one, create an account if you don't have an account, and so on. But I'm going to show you something. Look at this. I'm going to put the link. This is the link, the notebook link. I'm going to click enter. Actually, let me do this on Google Chrome because you're going to see it really beautiful. Let me exit out of here. Paste. And so here's the link. And I'm going to click enter. It's going to do it. We're going to do this again. I'm going to show you this. This is the full experience that I was hoping you could have. Instead of clicking view notebook, look what it says, click view notebook to continue without signing into Evernote. Instead of doing that, I want you to join the notebook, to log in or sign in for the first time. Sign in for the first time and click join notebook, and then you'd have to sign in. I don't want you to see my my writing and stuff, but nonetheless, I'll probably have to blot that out, but nonetheless. And then I'll type this. I'll change that. And so this is the full experience I want you to have. This is my other one. Now look at that. The writing's there, but guess what? This isn't the one still. This isn't the full experience yet. This isn't the... You see, it's going to still do the problem. It's a little bit better, but it's still messed up. But guess what? Once you sign in for the first time, or create a... once you log in or sign in, pardon me, once you sign in for the first time, or log in, and you click join notebook, your notebook will be over here. I already did it earlier. I logged into 2 notebooks, but guess what? It's still not going to work. So guess what? Instead of staying here, you can go here where it says view my notebooks and click there, and it's going to bring you someplace else. View my notebooks, and you click there, and guess where it takes you? Now it's going to take you to the actual and real website. For some reason it takes you to a note. You can click cancel or cancel. Oh, it doesn't. Interesting. I didn't do that last time. But here, this is where everything is at. And you see, new meeting notes, search, work chat, shortcuts, notes, notebooks. Click on notebooks, and the notebook that you just joined, woman's ordination or circumcision or whatever, it's there. And look how beautiful it is. Watch this. Look how beautiful it is. And you can see it all, and it's in order. That's the beautiful thing. It's in the order I put it in. From 1 to 18 that I organized, and all the way down however I actually organized it, everything is beautiful. If you decide to sign in or log in and get the real seamless experience that I was hoping that you would have originally. And you can find everything there. Look how beautiful it is. Oh. And so quickly. Everything works. You can see you can see the titles, you can see the writings. It's never going to disappear on you. Look at the order. The order I put it in: basic 1, basic 2, basic 3, basic 4. Beautiful order. And you can have that full experience on here of that notebook. So, wow. Yes. Wow. And yes, this does not look like what I just previously showed you. Why does it look like this? So this is the problem. It's terrible, it's ugly, it's a lot of things. I don't like it. This is a new update Evernote just recently did. This new update, this new look that Evernote is doing, it's not just the look that's bad, and the features that are terribly bad as well. I do like that they tried to mimic the desktop version from this one glance I can see, but nonetheless, this is look at other issues that this new update has, unfortunately. Come over here to notebooks and click and look at this. Now, I did this already. These were notebooks that were already saved. I actually have more notebooks. I should have more notebooks here than this. This is my second account, and it's just to show you how to use Evernote. Well, nonetheless, this one notebook here, there should be other notebooks, but this is the only notebook that's showing. And even this notebook, when you click on it, guess what happens? You no longer have access to this notebook. What? So none of the notebooks that you would click on, none of the notebook links, the website links that I share with you, none of those website links would work, even though when you click on them, they just you would not find them anywhere here. And if you do find one, like this one for instance, this is unfortunately a worse problem. Well, this is how you fix it. We got to go back to the older version. We got to go to the older look, the better look. Move the mouse up to your email name, pardon me, click, or your username. Click on that, and right here, come down and you click on switch to older version of Evernote. You click on switch to older version of Evernote, and you click on that, and guess what? You are now back on the page. Pardon me, let me move this. You're now back on the older version of Evernote, the one that I showed you earlier. This is it. Much more neater, much more beautiful and everything. Well, great. But here, this is where everything is at. And you see, new meeting notes, search, work chat, shortcuts, notes, notebooks. Click on notebooks, and the notebook that you just joined, woman's ordination or circumcision or whatever, it's there. And look how beautiful it is. Watch this. Look how beautiful it is. And you can see it all, and it's in order. That's the beautiful thing. It's in the order I put it in. From 1 to 18 that I organized, and all the way down however I actually organized it, everything is beautiful. If you decide to sign in or log in and get the real seamless experience that I was hoping that you would have originally. of that notebook. If you join to any other past notebooks, like I joined to an older notebook recently, guess where it is? Same thing, circumcision. It's right there, and you can have the full experience. All the notebooks, the links that I share with you, and it shows you my notebooks, and you choose to click on it, and you choose to click join notebook. They are saved on your name because you got to log in or sign in. It's going to be saved on your name, and all you got to do is just come on your Evernote website, whether you choose to do it on the internet, like go to evernote.com, or whether you choose to on evernote.com to download the app and get the desktop version. They want to share that with you. And get the desktop version. This is another notebook on the Mark of the Beast. Mark of the Beast and the Seal of God. MOTB, Mark of the Beast, and SOG, Seal of God. And so you can have that other full experience here. Very beautiful Bible study. But this is the desktop app. This isn't on the internet, though it's connected to internet. But this is the desktop app, really. But the internet version, or you can get the phone app. You can download this on your phone and get the app on there. To also my note links. If you see my notes, like my individual notes, guess what you can do? It says save to Evernote. You can save it into your Evernote, into your name. So save to Evernote, and you have it. Interesting. And you can choose which. This is for notes, not notebook now. And so you can choose which notebook you want to put it in. I have a notebook called Project 1. I'm going to save it in Project 1. And so now it's going to, when I want to find that individual note, sometimes I put only notes up instead of the whole notebook. And it's the whole, subject contents. But here, now this individual note, it's in your own notebook that you created. So yeah, you can create a notebook. You see it says create a notebook. Play around with it, and you can learn how to use this really easily. It's free. It's I forget how many megabytes. I believe it's 60 megabytes of memory free storage. Each month it's renewed. So you use up all 60 of your megabytes of storage in 1 month. When the month ends, they're going to give you a new 60 megabytes. And so you got more storage space. It's free. It's free. If you want to get more storage space than 60 megabytes in a month, you can purchase the Plus, or you can purchase the Premium. The Plus, it gives you 1 gigabyte of storage space in a month, and the Premium, it's just $8 right now, $7.99. The Premium, they give you 10 gigabytes of storage, and in each individual note, like this for instance, in each individual note, you can storage up to 200 megabytes tops for individual notes. But that's pretty awesome. But for you can put in it audio, or music. You can put inside of it pictures. You can take really fine, detailed pictures of books and so on. You can put it on there. You can do a whole bunch with it. I wish I could tell you everything about it, but nonetheless, this is the best way to get the full experience of my YouTube channel, Streams of Light, Charles Placide. If you sign in to Evernote, get the Evernote app on your phone or on your computer, your laptop computer or PC computer, whatever, desktop computer, and you can have all of my notes on there. And the more notes that especially my notebooks, all of my notebooks on there. I have more notebooks than that. I just put this on my other email account. So this is it, and it's beautiful. Look at it. You go down, look at it. You can see all of the notes. Look at all of that and everything. And so I don't know what more to tell you, but come on. Join in. And so may you be blessed, and I pray, look how seamless it is. It's easy. You can make your own favorites, or shortcuts, pardon me. You can go, if once you get my notebooks, you can go to notes, and you can find two. Also, I'd recommend you see this tab up here? It says getting started. Up next, create your first note. So I would recommend you get rid of that. To do that, just click that. Click that drop down menu, and go ahead and click number 1, create your first note. I clicked up there and click done. That's the first thing. Set a reminder to save web articles. I don't want to. That's 3. And then it says sync to your phone and computer. Now you might want to do each of those 3 things, so pay attention and you'll learn it step by step, how to use this website. Sync to your phone and computer. Have it everywhere. Let's see. And so they're recommending you to download Evernote on your computer so you can have the desktop version of Evernote like I do. I can show you. Here's the desktop version. Or you don't have to download. Or you don't have to download. You would just exit out that. You come back to again, and so then there's an X there finally, and you exit it out and it's gone, and it shouldn't pop up ever again. Okay, so now you can see your notes a lot better. Let's go to it. Now you can see your notes a lot better, and when you scroll down, well, there you have it. But nonetheless, it's beautiful, you guys. It's really beautiful. It's really simple, and I pray you guys can sign in. You can do everything that I do on here. You can do your own Bible study notes on here, just like I do. This note that you saved, and now it's yours, you can play around with it. You can edit it. You can make it your own, whatever. Or you can make new ones. You'll never be able to edit and modify my notebooks or anything. I made sure that I put it on restricted so that I'm the only one that can edit it. But if you choose to get my notes, either by copying and pasting it, just right click on your mouse, just click copy, and then you can make a new note, so on, whatever, it doesn't, and put it there. You can do anything. And so all I can tell, and then put all your own Bible study notes on there. Share them with me if you got time or anything. Time for the Lord's word, and then seeking for all truth, and so on. Here's the upgrade. You can upgrade if you want to, but here, these are the plans. And so basic, premium, and this is the new one. Oh no, not so new. This is business. I have premium. Oh, they made it cheaper now. Oh, praise the Lord. But now it's maximum note size 200 megabytes, but every month you have 10 gigabytes. Monthly uploads. This one's free. You can have it on 2 devices. You can have it on both your computer and your phone for free. And it syncs. It's whatever notes you do on the computer, it'll be on your phone. Whatever notes you do on your phone, it'll be on the computer. And up to 60 megabytes per month, and it's renewed. 25 megabytes storage size for each individual note. Each individual note, you won't be able to go above 25 megabytes. Me, I can go to 200 megabytes. I do that when I group together 500, 600, 700 page books, one after the other, maybe 4, 5, 6 of them all on one note, and it comes up to 200 megabyte storage. And so it's really beautiful. It's helpful. And so do that, and and enjoy the whole experience. It's really simple. Full screen if you want to go to. There. Done. You can share it to other people. You can share the link. Send note. It's really simple. And so I recommend it to you guys. You be blessed. And this is Charles Placide of Streams of Light Ministries, and till next time, I'll show you something again next time. Alright, bye. Blessings and peace. Enjoy, study, watch, and pray.